Hello viewers, today I'm going to tell you how you can download the channel art or banner of any YouTube channel on your PC. For this, you must have a Google Chrome in your system. Open Google Chrome. Now search YouTube. Now select the channel you want to download the banner of. Now select this channel. Open the channel. Now right click on the channel art and click on View Page Source. This type of coding will appear on front of you. Now tap Ctrl plus F and type TV banner. Now search here the width 2120. Here it is. Now copy the link of this line from the backslashes till W2120 and copy this. Now paste this on the new tab and hit enter. Now you can see the channel art is coming in front of you. Now select this 2120 and replace it with 2560 and hit enter. Because it is a full size channel art. Now right click on the image and click on save image as. Select the location you want to save the picture. Go to the place. Now here is the banner you saved. Now this banner has full resolution. So that's how you download the channel art of any channel on the YouTube by using Google Chrome. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and comment on the video. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more updates.